All right. May I have permission from my elders to pour a libation? Anyone over 46? All right, there we go. Black Tassie.
To you.
All right. So, Benochi, Black Tassie, to see you. If we can bring you from Detroit to Ghana, that's going to be the most earth-shaking move in the history of the world.
I'm working on it. Believe me.
Absolutely.
That's one reason I'm here.
We're looking to have some new neighbors. I go.
Amen.
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 Amen. Le tutu, or the tutu, on a tutu la ye. Iba lo du mara tere le kaye. Iba room la du cotton. Iba room la du cotton. Iba room la barakwetu. Iba pa akede fin joban. Iba koda iba sheda. Iba da balo tu fe. Iba mebolo de remo. Iba yun wadu wa wali re. Pi akolo baju ba ile la lamu. Omo ti ki duba ki ba pa. Otun paradi nyoko kontre pon kwa me tron si na monsi. Asasi ampana no ma asase de musa de ni de me fedie. I wasn't as mother of teen to be money mark about when I said for back here every minute. Now I broke what down and damage at my city was bought as said before. When I fee at the film for a piano, I mean, I'm to see and the answer. And they now by some kind of crap sign, there's a name in the answer, some concern upon him. And I have a catapa, Assasia, a bank of Abibitumi. My union, now also 1 that's the answer upon me and saw her. I pass about talk. That's our brain, she gave us a sabaka. I had no, I want Mumbo and Hoban, I was Jumadinim. Mumbo and Hoban, I was sick as him. My young Hompoto said by ya, you bet me a chit to the crow. Now I be before you warm waha, and I'll be before I'm no free of my money. And you know, you back your hobboom. I was like, Kemet, the man asked number. And on a hunya, I a palm before I am for a free assassin, so when I said, Now, come be a cannon before Jidadi. I came out Jidadi, a body bracket, ye. But I shall not point us and come back when I saw Madame. Mashana Shahi, Masharamiami, by Madame. Mashana could say. Yeah. All right, Black Tastic, I see we have people still coming in, but we'll go ahead and get started. Let me share my screen. Can anyone see my screen?
Yeah. Till.
Black Tastic. Let me hide this. All right. So today we are dealing with community development, our residential investment opportunity right in front of Abibitumi headquarters that came to my attention actually very recently. So this is Abibitumi headquarters. Oh, it's coming in. This is Abibitumi headquarters, and we're talking about this land right here. So this is the land that's available. We'll go more into it, and that totals 3 acres. And we're going to try to secure this as soon as possible. But yeah, let me not get ahead of myself. I mentioned in the email that was sent out that there are Lebanese who have already started building these huge greenhouses, and they are encroaching upon Kemet, the land of Black people. So we want to secure as much land as possible before they take over, right? So this is the call to action. So the vision is a united community, families living side by side, sharing life experiences, children growing up together, fostering strong bonds, embracing unity through the red, black, and green flag, creating a safe, supportive environment for all, and building a community that celebrates our heritage as Black people. Commetio Abibifo Adulawa Nit Kunyo Black people, right? So that is what we're dealing with. And as some of you are aware, anytime I give a talk, I like to make it as interactive as possible. So when I say Abibitumi, I want you to say community. Abibitumi.
Community.
Abibitumi.
Community.
Abibitumi.
Community.
And that is what we're building. So continue. You see that image? I love that image. All right. So this is prime location, as mentioned, so unmatched accessibility. So these are residential plots. You'll be early for the Abibitumi conference every year, right? All you have to do is just walk out your door and you're already at the conference, you're already at the festival, and that's going to be blacktastic. So residential plots are perfectly situated in front of Abibitumi headquarters, offering unparalleled access for families and community members. And James, I think you got the annotation going. So you don't need to do the annotation for now. Residential plots perfectly situated in front of Abibitumi headquarters, offering unparalleled access for families and community members looking to thrive in the United States. So spacious and affordable, 3 acres available. Each plot measures 100 by 70 and is priced at just $10,000, the equivalent, making it an ideal investment for family homes and community living. Abibitumi.
Community.
Community.
Abibitumi.
Community.
Community.
Abibitumi.
Community.
Community.
And again, ideal for family living. So again, it's an opportunity where our children can grow up together, a safe, supported environment. You don't have to worry about them walking down the street to get some Skittles. And then, there's some KBs who, doesn't want to see that happen. This is an image. I love this cover from United Front called the Vanguard. And I think that's why I heard a chuckle when we got started, because this is when we envision what the future looks like, right? So you see the greenery, the flowing water, you see the structures, with greenery even integrated into that style, into the landscape here. So again, this is what we're starting with, is the 3 acres. Abibitumi.
Community.
Community.
Abibitumi.
Community.
Abibitumi.
Community.
Community.
Very good. So progress that was taken, we've already had 3 successful site searches conducted. And this is me talking to 2 experienced lawyers and showing them, where it is. That's just from the security camera that we got in front. So they came up and we were showing them, this is what's, available. This is a land that's in front, so forth. So just delineating that. So they were there when we did the payment. How many of you were online when we did the Chairman Fred Hampton talk a couple of weeks ago?
Indio.
If you notice, I don't know how perceptive you may have been, but if you notice at the beginning of the talk, I was doing something. It's like I was driving. What I was doing, I was putting the down payment on the initial 2 plots for a deposit. And it wasn't until maybe, I don't know, a half hour into it, I got to the house and was able to get settled in and then conduct the interview. But I was like, we cannot allow this land to be encroached on by the exact same Amu that we know have been basically doing land grab across the land of Black people. So I just wanted to secure that before. That was the second, and I knew I was going to Burkina Faso on the 3rd. So I was like, let me take care of this, because I let a week go by. I come back and there's nothing to see anymore. So again, we have the site searches, and for those who are interested and ready to move forward, I'll show you the results of the searches. We did a 3rd one on Friday, just because we want to triple check. They talk about double check, triple check, all of that. So we actually wanted to triple check from 3 different surveyors just to make sure everything is on the up and up. So ensure ideal location, so solid foundation for the project. And then always starting off having lawyers involved in the process. That's really the key to avoiding land issues from the outset. And I know this, having been here 17 years, that it's possible to do land deals without lawyers involved, but it's better to do it when they are involved. We continue. Abibitumi.
Community.
Community.
Abibitumi.
Community.
Abibitumi.
Community.
So as I mentioned, we didn't put this out here for too long. I think it was just a couple of days ago. I was like, let's put this out to the entire Black community and, see who's ready to move. So there's a bit of a sense of urgency in terms of securing investment. So we want to act swiftly to see the opportunity before it slips away. And this is Google Maps. So this is land that you can find very easily. This isn't, land